Assemble 3 or more people and you have the making of a group portrait. The subject of group portraits are traditionally family, friends, or colleagues, united in a cohesive composition. However, this painting, The Daughters of Edward Darley Boit by John Singer Sargent, is not your typical group portrait. Let me introduce you to Florence, Jane, Mary Louisa, and Julia. Their parents, Edward and his wife Isa, were friends of Sargent, Americans who lived abroad. The setting is the foyer of the Boit apartment in Paris. Compositionally, this painting is a perfect square, with the subjects disparately arranged about the canvas. That's your first indication that this is an unconventional portrait. Separating the sisters, we see them not as a family, but as individuals. The 2 oldest, Florence and Jane, are lost in the background shadows. Florence leans against a large Japanese vase, disinterested and disengaged. Jane is divided, standing in unity with her sister, but still not ignoring the painter. Mary Louisa, confident and fiercely independent, stands in the light of a nearby window, and Julia, the child, sits on the floor with her doll. There's a clear psychological underpinning to this work. You don't need to be a psychiatrist to recognize family dysfunction. Sargent obviously picked up on the family dynamics between these sisters and made it the subject of this painting. The work is as much a psychological profile as it is a portrait. Sargent's instincts weren't wrong. None of the sisters ever married and never had any children, and the 2 oldest later suffered from mental illness. Today, the painting hangs in the Museum of Fine Arts in Boston, right between the 2 large vases featured in the painting, a gift of the Boit family. I'm Larry Withers, and this has been your 2-minute masterpiece. We hope you enjoyed this video. If so, like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel. To learn more about First Art Gallery, click on the link below. To see any of our other 2-minute masterpiece videos, click on the playlist.